understand English. You know the words, you know the grammar.
But when it's time to speak, your mind says nothing. You freeze.
Today, we fix that. Real English, 5 practical phrases.
By the end of this video, you will speak more confidently. No panic, no fear. Just real English.
Hey, my friend, welcome back.
And if this is your first time here, relax. You are in a safe place.
This channel is for real English, not textbook English, not perfect English.
English you can actually use when your brain freezes.
Today's title is very real. Understand English but can't speak and freeze. Real English practice, 5 practical phrases.
If this is you, you are not broken. You're normal.
Almost every English learner feels this. I felt this too.
So stay with us, speak with us, make mistakes with us.
Let's start with the problem. You understand English, but you can't speak. Why?
Because understanding and speaking are 2 different skills.
Understanding is quiet. Speaking is active. Speaking is scary.
Your brain says, what if I make a mistake?
What if they laugh?
What if I sound stupid?
And boom, your mind goes blank.
The good news, you don't need more grammar.
You need simple, ready phrases.
Like tools in your pocket. When you freeze, you pull one out.
Today we give you 5, only 5.
Very practical, very human.
We will practice together.
You will repeat, you will answer, you will speak.
Phrase number 1 is powerful.
It saves you when your brain stops.
The phrase is, let me think for a second.
This phrase does 3 things.
First, it gives you time.
Second, it sounds natural. Native speakers say this all the time.
Third, it removes pressure. You don't need to answer fast.
Imagine this. Someone asks you a question in English.
Your heart beats fast.
Silence feels scary.
Instead of silence, you say, let me think for a second.
Say it with us.
Let me think for a second. Again, slower. Let me think for a second.
Let me think for a second.
Good. That pause is your power.
Quick question for you.
Do you usually stay silent when you don't know what to say?
Yes or yes?
Write yes in the comments if this is you.
True story.
I was ordering food in another country.
The waiter asked me something fast.
I understood 80%.
My mouth stopped.
I smiled and said, let me think for a second.
I breathed. I relaxed.
And then the words came.
This phrase buys you time.
Time gives you confidence.
Phrase number 2 is a lifesaver.
The phrase is, how do you say,
You don't need perfect vocabulary.
you just need this bridge. Example, you forget a word.
You stop speaking. Bad idea.
Instead, you say, how do you say in English?
Let's practice.
Imagine you want to say receipt, but you don't know the word.
You say, how do you say this? The paper for payment.
Native speakers love this.
They want to help you.
How do you say,
Again, with confidence.
how do you say,
Mini quiz time.
you forget a word? What do you say?
A. Stay silent.
B. How do you say?
Say your answer out loud.
The answer is B. Always B.
Phrase number 3 is about listening.
Many people freeze because they didn't fully understand. And they are afraid to ask again.
Don't be afraid. This is real English.
The phrase is, can you say that again, please?
Simple, polite, powerful.
Native speakers repeat things all the time.
This is not a weakness.
This is smart communication.
We say it, you repeat. Can you say that again, please?
Good. One more time.
Can you say that again, please?
I was in a meeting once.
Everyone spoke fast.
My brain was tired.
I missed one sentence.
I said, sorry, can you say that again, please?
Nobody was angry.
They just repeated it.
Stress gone.
Stop.
Shake your shoulders.
Take one deep breath.
You're doing great.
Phrase number 4 helps when your sentence is messy.
And that's okay. English does not need to be perfect.
The phrase is, what I mean is,
This phrase fixes your sentence.
Example, you say something wrong.
You feel panic.
Don't stop. Say, what I mean is, and continue.
Repeat after us. What I mean is,
This phrase gives you control.
it tells the listener, wait, I'm explaining.
Mini quiz number 2.
You say something unclear. What helps?
A, stop talking.
B, what I mean is,
Correct answer?
B, always B.
Phrase number 5 is emotional.
It protects your confidence.
The phrase is, it's okay, I'm still learning.
This phrase removes shame.
When you make a mistake, say it.
People become kinder,
You relax.
and relaxed people speak better.
It's okay, I'm still learning.
Again.
It's okay, I'm still learning.
Now let's practice for real.
Short role play. You speak with us.
I ask you a question.
You freeze.
Say phrase 1. What do you do for work?
Let me think for a second.
Perfect.
You forget a word.
Use phrase 2. Did you bring the...
How do you say,
Excellent.
I speak fast?
Use phrase 3. So basically, we need to reschedule because...
Can you say that again, please?
Great job.
Quick check.
Do you feel a little more relaxed now?
Yes or yes?
Comment relaxed if you feel it.
Let's review.
5 phrases.
Let me think for a second.
How do you say...
How do you say?
Can you say that again, please?
What I mean is,
It's okay. I'm still learning.
these are not fancy phrases.
They are survival phrases.
Use them when you freeze. Use them every day. Remember this.
You don't freeze because you're bad at English.
You freeze because you care.
And that's a good thing.
Speaking English is not about perfection.
It's about connection,
Every time you speak, you win.
even with mistakes.
If this video helped you, subscribe.
We make real English for real people.
Comment below which phrase is hardest for you.
And tell us where you're watching from.
In the next video,
We will practice real conversations step by step.
so you stop freezing forever.
See you there. Keep speaking.